Okay, so a bit of context. Being someone that is very obsessed with the internet and social media, I have a lot of friends that happen to live, across the country of the United States of America. And as cool as online interactions are, it nowhere comes close to IRL interactions. So once a year, we all come together and meet up in Nashville, Tennessee for a week straight of fun, friends, and funky times. Technically, it's also like a fan meetup for the YouTube channel Blimey Cow, but mostly I go for my friends. And after an entire year of waiting, the time has come. To see my friends. I mean, like a year in between seeing them is just too long. Maybe that's just the extrovert part of me talking. I'm gonna be honest with you, I love flying and being in planes. I love it so much. I guess it's because I have a lot of childhood memories of flying from North Carolina to Los Angeles to visit my grandparents. So in my head, I've never been scared of them. It's always an adventure to me. So, this is awesome. Confession time. I've sort of been lying to you. I mean, I am here in Nashville, but this is not my final destination. I'm going to North Carolina first. I'm gonna see my family again for a few days, and then drive down to to Nashville with my best friend Andrew. Sorry, I just lied to you, to your face. It really makes you question the foundation of our relationship, you know? Also, shout out to the guy making pizza. He asked if I was a YouTuber, and I said yeah. And he said he just gave me these pizzas for free. Probably shouldn't say his name because he's really cool and I don't want him fired. So, but you know who you are, man. I gotta get napkins because this pizza has way too much sauce on it.
Welcome aboard.
Flight 2.
Sectors on this flight. 4 doors, 2 on each side. Window exits.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive.
Okay, now I'm officially here.
I've been falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling and I've been calling. Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
And at long last, I have made it to my mother's home. I'm gonna be chilling here for a few days, just like relaxing and having some special time with my family. But I will see you when we actually head up to Nashville, me and my best friend Andrew. And now if you'll excuse me, I'm going to take a, in my opinion, well-deserved sleep. And in the meantime, remember to stay positive. And give your family a hug. Thanks.